Hey there, good morning. Yeah, back on trail. A lot happened, and I'll bring you up to date on all of that. But I've got some wonderful hiking partners. We did Max Patch and stayed at a couple different shelters, and today we are just doing a few miles into Hot Springs, and we're probably gonna get a cabin or some place to stay. I don't know. We don't have any solid plans yet. And then we're gonna go forward and then slack pack back again later this afternoon. So we're gonna do a little bit of hiking in the morning and a little bit of hiking later this afternoon. So I will update you on everything. I have some missed miles and we'll get that figured out too, but I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. All right, man, that's a nice sign. That's a nice sign. What's this thing? Oh, cool. These are the maintainers for this area, and they do a fantastic job. I wonder what the Appalachian Challenge is. See that?
Yeah.
Here.
Right, we can seat ourselves, so.
Oh, is that what it says?
Booth or the.
Suit yourself. Do it.
But that's quite a construction for in the middle of the woods.
Yeah. It's like a dam. That's crazy.
Well, hopefully.
I'm not sure what that is. Could be Excalibur. All right, we've been slacking back towards Hot Springs. And we just made it down to the river. But we don't remember the name of the river. I'm sure it's on a map or something. But it's super cool, and now we get to stroll along the river. It's beautiful. All of this is where it flooded last year during the hurricane. So you can see trees down and stuff. They're rebuilding the town.
There was times when I believe there was 700 or 800 eagles.
Oh, yeah.
They follow the migration all over the world. So the Forest Service at some other point in time, we had these small salmon that would come and spawn. And they thought, let's feed them.
Oh, just in my video.